How to create a report in CTS. So you can create a report from each field that you can actually docket in CTS. So go to reports, and from here you can select the type of report you want to create. If you click on list, you can actually create a reminder list report. You can also create a case summary, case history report. You can create a patent case. You can create a patent cases reports, combine US PCT or foreign or PCT, office actions, US patent details. Also for the trademarks, foreign cases, Madrid protocol, US and foreign cases, US cases. You can create for patent details, organization, system, which is for the user CTS. So let's go ahead and run one of the forms that are already in CTS. Let's click on list here. And we can run a reminder list report. First of all, let's go ahead and run the reminder list in the general reminder list report. So if you select the report here and you click on show report, it will actually run a report for all records. So if you have like hundreds, and if you have more than 100 cases, you have 10,000 cases, and if you click on all records, it will actually go and create a report for all cases, and it will take time. So make sure you enter criteria. To enter a criteria, click on the enter selection criteria, and from here you can go and select up to 5 different criteria. So I have already 2, and I will just go ahead and clear those selections, and we can go ahead and add new, or we can just add selections. So in selection 1, we're going to go ahead and in selection 1, we'll go and expand this RAM table and probably select for a client ID. Or let's go ahead. So in selection 1, let's go ahead and for selection 1, let's go ahead and expand this REM table and probably search for date 2. And then you can enter where is the date 2. So let's type through 2024. And then selection 2, let's go ahead and select the client ID. So let's type ABM. So I have select only 2 selections. I will click OK, and you can see how here it's actually selected to enter the criteria. Select the report and click on show report. It will go and open in Microsoft Word. Again, this pop-up message, you always click here yes. 2 Word documents. The first one will be the pattern file. This is the pattern file. And the second report is going to be, or the second Word document, it's going to be our report. Let's go ahead now, let's close this and try to customize this reminder list report. So to customize a report that you already have, just select the report, click on add edit form link, and then make a copy. We want to make this report in Word, so we're going to keep here word processor Word. We're going to make a copy. We're going to rename our new report. Make sure there is no empty spaces. If you want to use empty space, go with the underscore or dot or point 1. The pattern file also needs to be changed, or you can add something, but before .doc.document. So I'll type here, I always type some numbers, random numbers. I will click here OK, And now I can see that I have already created a new report and I have changed the pattern file name. So let's go ahead and add some fields to this custom report. Click on fields here and you can see the fields that are actually available for you to add on the report. If you want to add more fields, then go and scroll down from the fields available and search for the REM table, because it's a reminder list report, so we're searching for the reminder table. Click on plus and let's see what we have here. Okay, maybe time lost change. Yeah, double click and it will add to your selected fields, or you just go and select the field and just click on add and it will add the field. Once you add, you just go back to description, click on build sample record, save, yes, and it's there. I will go ahead and close this, and in the reminder list report, the word is the selected word processor, and I have the new report that I create. So I will just go ahead and enter the criteria first. The criteria will stay from the last time that you select. Click OK. Again, new report and show report. It will open the same report that you have, the one before we customized, because we just make a copy, but we didn't customize the pattern file. So we go back now to the pattern file, which is the first Word document. And then from here, we will go ahead and add fields, or to add the custom fields that we wish for. So I will just go ahead and click here after the case title. So I'll just select this and I will just probably push here and then click on this plus. So it goes way back there. Let's just customize slowly. Okay. And now in this field here, I will go ahead and click on mailings, insert merge field, and I will search for the field. Usually the field that you add the last will be the last on your list. So time lost changed, I'll just go ahead and add that. I add the field here on my report, but I don't have the title for this field. So I'll just go ahead and click above this case title here, above this line, this bold line, double click, and then I'll just go ahead and click after title and just empty space here and last changed on. This is my title here, and then once I customize it as I wish, just double click anywhere on this Word document, click on save. So we customize the pattern file. I will go ahead in the background. I still have the report that I create before and I print before the custom, before I customized. So I'll just go ahead, close this one, don't save. This one I already saved, and I go back to reminder list report in CTS. Select the new report, enter criteria is there, just click on show report. Sometimes can give you this error that you must first select the form to print, because we just customize, so that's why you need to go ahead and click again. When you click on new report, make sure that the enter criteria is there, because sometimes can go and select all records. So make sure you enter the criteria again and then show report. It will open the Word documents, two Word documents. Click yes. The first is the pattern file. You can see the field that I just create, the one that I customize, it's there. Let's go ahead and close this, don't save. And I have my customized report with the last changed on, and then I have this field here. This is how you can customize a formal letter. This is just the reminder list report. The same you can do for case summary. You can do for case history, patent cases, patent details, for the trademark cases. And as I said, all data you can docket in CTS, you can actually create a report.